back to the Dust Racing Time video, episode 2. I've got someone watching me once again. The enemy in there. This is where we left off. Can't remember actually, because I had to go to a cycle, which is annoying as hell. He's a protector. He's so magical. Yeah. I was supposed to get like a really good ability. I don't know what it is. Avoid the enemies. I'm gonna see if I can do it. I can avoid them. I think it's literally. I'm surprised I managed to escape. Because you can never escape when there's enemies everywhere.
Wow. It's really beautiful up here.
Yeah. So, any idea where we are?
I was maybe hoping you could tell me.
Oh, silly me. I seem to have dropped all my detailed maps and navigational equipment chasing after a crazy flying sword.
Right, that's too late.
I'm sorry I got you mixed up in this fidget.
Well, you should be. Sticking a sword, getting in trouble.
No, now that I think about it, this isn't the first time I've seen this view. I've stood here before, in this very spot.
Then perhaps you recognize the village at the base of these cliffs?
It's hard to make out from here. We'll need to drop down to the valley floor if we want to get any closer.
Very well. Proceed as you wish, Dust.
So loud. Look at that. Go away, monsters. Go away. Damn it. Is this where just waiting? Oh, I'm gonna kill it. Tiny Vulcan. Feeble fruit. No. We like a bit of feeble fruit. Same. This is also going to be short because, as Bubble just said, we can't upload two very long videos. Yes! That was awesome. Oh, treasure! Y and X. Treasure chest, that's so good.
Is that a tent? Is there somebody in there?
Whatever it is, it's got glowing evil eyes of evil.
A merchant lies in wait. Do not let his appearance frighten you. I sense he only wishes to assist in our journey.
I wasn't frightened, just surprised at the, savings. Come on, let's talk to them.
I've been expecting you, stranger.
Who are you?
Merely a friend with many wares for sale. Shall we conduct business?
I messed up the camera.
Before you leave, might I propose an offer?
That would depend on the offer.
If I may be so bold, you are not prepared for the journey ahead. I, however, can offer a assistance. Please, accept this blueprint as a gift. Should you find a blacksmith and the necessary materials, they may be able to craft the item for you. I can offer you materials as well, though I'm not entirely sure what materials this land deems of value. I am not from around here, as I'm sure you've guessed by now.
No.
Once you've sold me a new material type, I will be able to restock my store with it. As for your reward, I will pay you a bonus for the first new material you sell me.
Ah, you'll buy them at a high price.
Well, yes. Yes, I will.
Thank you.
Watch your back, my friend.
Oops. Sorry. Oh, go down. I think it's down. Yeah. I just spilled a bomb through. Oh no. There's yellow wool. I don't want to auto-save it. God's sake. No. God, terrible. Oh, wow. Oh, this is actually an easier way. God's sake. Oh, for God's sake. Stupid benefits, I hate them. There's not be any more monsters, or was this going to be literally possible? Because the benefits explode and they impact on an enemy. Oh my god! Why is it in these bomb fruits? Fruit bombs, I don't know what they're called. Maybe it's a bomb fruit. Finally!
There's something in that cave. Quick, get it out.
Oh, Ross. I'll take a wild guess and say we need 4 keys.
How many keys do I have? 2. Why do I do that if I haven't got the crouching ability yet? Which is like further into the game. We're 8 minutes in already, damn. I've barely made any progress on this. The oiling grid.
Gus, there's something up there.
Not a problem at all. Stand back. All right, I've got it. Wait, no. Ah.
Having some trouble there?
Yeah, I don't know. I just can't get a good enough grip.
Aw, you're just trying to show off. That's sweet. Don't worry about it. I'm sure there's a way to get up there. We'll just come back later.
I'm almost where I want to be. Come on. It's been about 15 minutes long. Come on. apparently 15 minutes is too long. But it can't be too long. This is the village, I don't know.
Looks like we're heading in the right direction.
Be on your guard, Dust. I sense a powerful foe ahead of you.
Don't worry, Dust. I'll be behind you every step of the way. Way behind.
I want to actually fix the camera.
It's another one of those spiky flying things.
Their persistence, I'll give them that.
Much as I pity this corrupted beast, now might be a good time to demonstrate the parry technique. Allow it to strike.
Hey, you dazed it.
Attack and hold X at the moment of the enemy's strike, and you will parry their attack, opening them up for a counterattack. Timing is crucial, and you must be facing your opponent. And as you can see, a successful parry may also daze your opponent temporarily. Now, put this beast out of its misery.
I see somebody over there.
Ask them if they've got anything to eat.
We're in a bit of a hurry, Fidget. Don't worry, I'll feed you later.
Hey, I'm not a pet. But, I would appreciate that. Thanks.
I'm gonna end here, so bye.